This is the 415G Momentum by Grand Design. Comes with a 6,000 watt inverted generator. The inverted helps to protect your electrical equipment. It's a YAMAHA engine. It's a very good high rated engine. Automatic leveling jacks. All protected tanks. This is an all-season camper. It's a 50 amp. Triple axle. Tankless water heater. This has the CRE 3000 wet bolt system that gives you 3 inches of up and down travel. If you hit a big bump, it doesn't translate into the RV. It stays within the suspension. 2 40-gallon fuel tanks, one for the generator, one for the toys. You can, of course, fill the generator tank back up with the toy tank. Got the easy-to-maneuver ramp gate. One awning in the back, one awning in the patio area here. Rockford Fosgate stereo outside. Got another electric awning in the front. It's the 3-year warranty from Grand Design. The 415G. Heavy insulated. Grand Design is known in the RV business for the quality of their insulation and the design that they put into the RV. Lots of storage, lots of thought put into it. Big living space in this one. Lots of counter. Huge refrigerator. This is a 12 volt residential size refrigerator. Four heated massage recliners. Electric furnace fireplace. So total 6 places to sit where everybody can get a good view of the TV on a rainy day. Got a loft above the garage entry. We're at about 13 foot total with a half bathroom in the garage. This is a 3-air, one in the garage area, one at the front, one in the middle. Neat thing that Grand Design puts into them. Good thought. Where do I keep my trash can? They've thought of that for you. It's a tankless water heater. Huge shower. About 6.5 foot tall. This one is a king bed. Lots of storage in the bedroom. Countertop area for the CPAP or whatever you like to keep next to you at night. USB plug-ins, 110 volt outlets. Dedicated bedroom air. So 2 entries for the bath. Plenty of bathroom storage as well. Great open concept floor plan with a big garage. Pull-out pantry. Call me anytime. 918-504-7727. Eric Deshane at Camperland. Thank you.